We have recently had this a grant awarded to us from on behalf of Gwynt y Môr. We've been able to install more drainage into the pitch, which is brilliant for us because it means now then that we get more usage on a more consistent basis throughout the season, and we've had it levelled out and relayed. So it's been a brilliant investment into the local community. It's going to allow us now to create a junior section, a ladies team, hopefully a development team, and I think most importantly now it's going to allow the local community to have more usage of their pitch in the local area. So we are so grateful to Gwynt y Môr for allowing us to have this new facility, and the future is certainly bright for us.
So we just want to say thank you for the Gwynt y Môr wind farm funding, which we're going to use at Homestart Flintshire to set up lots of school readiness groups which are aimed at supporting children to learn all the skills that they need in order to start school and to be ready to start learning from day one.
I'm really excited to be part of the Homestart readiness for school. It was an exciting opportunity to bring the communities together, get the families into working in our school. It will also help raising pupil numbers at the school and making a stronger community.
So we're very privileged and honoured from Gwynt y Môr to provide the funding for One Compass charity. It helps support, the different staff roles and engage with the kids in Tanlan area specifically. We run the youth groups here, and if without that funding we wouldn't be able to stay open and have kids develop and get through new challenges. But it keeps young people engaged in using a service, and then we motivate them to encourage them back into school and education. So the whole community develops generation by generation really, and without the Gwynt y Môr funding that wouldn't be possible.